How to use Spocket with Shopify for dropshipping. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Spocket, which is an amazing dropshipping supplier with Shopify. Now, first we need to answer a couple of questions about what is dropshipping, why use Spocket, what are the pros and cons. Well, Spocket is an online platform that helps in connecting retailers with dropshipping suppliers. Now, the difference between going for Spocket versus going for platforms like Alibaba or other wholesale manufacturers is that Spocket has a lot of different automated processes. All you have to do with Spocket is list the product on your website. Other than that, you're not going to have to deal with anything else. You don't have to deal with suppliers, you don't have to deal with shipping, you don't have to deal with anything of that from your end. You just have them listed on your own Shopify store. However, Spocket has a couple of cons as well, because it can't always be rainbows and sunshines. Spocket has one major con, which I personally dislike, and that is high prices. I'm not going to say that using Spocket is cheap because Spocket has some amazing products, but if you want to really get the most value, you should upgrade to their starter plan. Their starter plan has a 0% transaction fee. You get access to 25 unique products. You can link it to multiple different stores as well as get access to AliExpress dropshipping. And you have over 7 million products in the product catalog. The issue with this pocket is that because it provides you with original US and EU products, which means that they are delivered really quickly to the end consumer, they have higher prices. So you have to make a trade off for fast shipping versus higher prices. You're either going to be offering fast shipping and high prices or low prices with really slow shipping. So you just have to keep everything in mind and find the best middle ground between both of these factors. Let's get started with connecting Spocket to Shopify. To do this, you're going to have to create a Spocket account. You can do that as you connect to Shopify as well. Simply log onto your Shopify store. Once you log onto your Shopify store, you're going to click on Settings on the left. Once you click on Settings on the left, you're going to click on Apps and Sales Channels on the left. Once you do that, you're going to click on Shopify App Store on the top right. Once you open up the Shopify App Store, you're simply going to search for Spocket over here. And once you search for Spocket, you will see the Spocket application. Now, you're not going to be using this one, which is Spocket for suppliers. You're going to be using Spocket USA and EU dropshipping. So you're just going to click on this application and then click on install. Once you click on install, this will open up a new tab for the installation of the Spocket application onto your Shopify store. Simply click on install over here. And once you click on install over here, this will move you towards the next step, which is account creation. So over here, you're going to answer a couple of questions and you're going to choose which region you're primarily looking to sell in, and then just click on continue. Once you do that, you can go ahead and choose a free trial. And after you have chosen your free trial, you're going to provide your payment info. So I'm just going to do that and get back to you guys in a second. So now I have just completed my Spocket subscription and we have a 14-day free trial on Spocket, and we're just going to continue with our starter plan. Now you will see on the top left, you will see your Shopify store, and on the left you will see your account info, your email address, your membership, your plans, all of that basic info. I have already signed on to Spocket with my email address. In the start of this sign up, it might ask you to sign up with your email address, so you can just do that as well. Now that we have connected our stores, it's time to find products, and you will see on the left you have certain tabs. This includes private label products. So private label products are products that you can create with your own branding. Then you have winning products. So a winning product is a page reserved for premium subscribers of Spocket that displays products that are performing well within a certain region. Then you even have AliExpress products where you can import products off of AliExpress onto your store. And we're going to be looking specifically for US and EU products. And we're going to go into women's clothing as that is what I want to sell. And I'm going to click on dresses over here. And we're just going to look for a couple of dresses. You can even enter keywords on the top. So I'm just going to search for dress like so. And this is going to show me all of the products. Now, you have multiple different filters, such as sorting by pricing. You can also choose USA shipping under $5, fast USA shipping, premium product, marketplace product, and a shipping country. So, where does this product originally ship from? I'm going to search for dress over here. And once I search for dress, I will have a couple of different options. It's going to just load up the results. And you guys can see over here, we have a few different options. And I think I want to go with something that is not over $20. That's going to be too much. So I'm going to click on filters on the top right, and I'm going to choose the item cost, which I'm going to set at $22 because I do want to be able to sell something at reasonable prices. So we're going to filter those out. And now Spocket is looking for products that fit my specific filters. So I want to go with this one. This is a really popular viral dress on TikTok as well, which is a cherry mid-length dress. The listing price is $5 and the retail price is $15. And I have different product variations. We have the processing time and the shipping time. Worldwide, it's going to take 8 to 14 days, which is fine by me. So I'm just going to click on add to import list. Keep in mind that this product is shipping from Japan, so it might take longer to arrive in the US. Now that I've included this option in my import list, I can click on import list on the left, and once I click on import list, this will show me the product. Now I can customize this listing on how I want to list it on my own Shopify store. So this is my strawberry tulle dress. And I'm just going to add this as a dress in the category of dresses, and I'm going to include it in my homepage and women's clothing collection. Then I'm just going to click on save. Now I'm going to go into description and I'm going to customize the description over here. So I'm going to ask the AI to write it, and I can, ask it to write it, but I'm just going to do it. A simple yet lovable silhouette for everyday and fancy events like so. And I can add, more items in the description. Then we have variants. So it has two variants. It has a pink version and a blue version. I only want to sell the pink version, so I'm going to add that. And we have a sales price. So originally we have the inventory price and then we have the sale price. So I'm going to increase the price even more. And after that, I'm just going to click on images. I have only one image. I'm going to click on save. And once I've made all of these changes, I can just click on push to store. And now this product from Spocket is going to be added to my Shopify store. So if I go ahead and go into my Shopify store, we're just going to go ahead and log into Shopify. Currently pushing the product to our store. And if I go into products on the left, you guys can see my strawberry dress has been added and it is now live on my Shopify store as well. Additionally, customers will only have to purchase this product and I don't have to deal with shipping. I don't have to deal with anything. Instead, everything will be handled by Spocket. The orders will arrive in the orders tab. You can request fulfillment and then the rest is handled directly in the dropshipping platform. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.